We had started Commerce EduWorld classes right back in 2011. To be very specific, on 26 September 2011, 4 years back. Our basic objective was to provide personalized and conceptual teaching to each and every student who has a dream to pursue chartered accountancy as his career. At present, we are providing 5 main courses. The first one is FYJC, that is 11th standard. Second one is SYJC, that is 12th standard. The third one, the most important one, is Chartered Accountancy, for which we are providing all the 3 levels, that is CPT, IPC and CA Final. Also at the same time, we are introducing 2 new courses, that is CS, Company Secretary, and CMA, Cost and Management Accounting. Ideally by mid of 11th standard, that is FYJC, a student gets familiar with the subjects involved in the commerce stream. And by the end of 12th standard, a student has to decide which professional course is he going to opt for. Now here the most important thing is the basic concepts that he has learned in 11th and 12th standard plays a very important role in his professional examination. By end of 11th standard or by start of 12th standard, he'll have to decide which course is he going to opt for. We at Commerce EduWorld teach the students each and every chapter in detail. The next step is we conduct chapter-wise test. One chapter, one test. Once the tests are corrected by the faculty themselves, the faculty and the students sits together, their doubts are solved, and then we proceed towards the next chapter. Then we carry out mock papers for the students so that they are thoroughly prepared for the final examination. Commerce EduWorld is different from other classes. First is we are providing personalized attention. That is possible only because we are having limited students in a batch. Next thing is conceptual teaching that we are providing to our students. Next is best infrastructure that we are giving to our students so that they are very comfortable while they are attending the classes. Then regular doubt solving sessions and regular rigorous test series that our students are supposed to give. And lastly, the library facility that we are giving to our students so that they can sit in the library, they can study and get their doubts cleared immediately from the faculties themselves. At Commerce EduWorld, the success rate is around 75 to 80% for all the levels of CA, which is very high as compared to the institute's passing percentage, which is merely around 10 to 15%. The main reason behind such a huge success rate is that the whole CA course is taught only by the eminent CA faculties. We are providing our students with the study material. The study material is prepared by the faculties themselves, which are provided for all the subjects and which covers the entire syllabus. Just to add on, we are also coming up with technology-based video lectures which will be available online through video streaming. For further information, guidance, counseling or free demo lectures, you may feel free to contact me on 9167 082 081. Or alternatively, you can visit our website, that is www.commerceeduworld.com.